Here it is, my version of a macho salad from Bandera's restaurant. You want some too? Oh my goodness. Anyways, you want to check this out. Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite salads. It's a spin-off of a salad at a really great restaurant called Bandera's. They have something called the Macho salad. It is so good and delicious. I had to copy it, so here it is. It's a little different from theirs, but similar. So they use mixed greens. So I'm just gonna get those into my pretty salad bowl. You can use spring mix, whatever works. Then they use cherry tomatoes, corn kernels, some dates, goat cheese, avocado. Now I'm adding in my own twist. I've got my simple pickled red onions. You can find this recipe on my YouTube channel or my Instagram or wherever, my website. First step is let's chop up these dates really small. You can use more dates than this, but I use just about a half a cup. Oh yeah, the sweetness of the dates and the corn in this, and then the pickled red onion, oh my goodness. And fresh organic cherry tomatoes, there's nothing like it. Okay, so they're a little sticky, but you can just break them apart when you drop them on the salad, it's fine. Love dates, nature's candy. And they're not that high on the glycemic index. They're not bad at all, so. If you don't have time, obviously you don't even need to cut up the cherry tomatoes. I just like to cut them in half because they're pretty. Ooh, it's so sticky. Sticky, sticky dates. Okay. The other thing that Bandera's does is they use rotisserie chicken in their macho salad. I don't eat chicken, so it's not going in mine, but you can certainly add it to yours. Okay, so the dates are done. I'm gonna put them back in the bowl. I'm just gonna have the cherry tomatoes. I like to cut them long ways. You can cut them halfway or whatever you want. I love my tomato cutting knife. It gives me joy. I've had this knife for years. They smell good. Wow. Okay, all I need to do now is cut up the avocado and assemble the salad, and we're good to go. I'm using 2 avocados for this. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna go right here and get that out. All right. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, loving the avocados. Do you know that one avocado has about 10 to 14 grams of fiber? That is awesome. I like to do big chunks of avocado in this salad, so I'm just doing this. And by the way, you should probably cut up your avocado when you're doing it like this with a butter knife, so you don't cut yourself. Just going down the middle once, and then side, side, side. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it all together. We're gonna eat this for lunch. It's gonna be awesome. So here it is, my version of the Bandera's macho salad. So simple. I've got my greens. They use corn, so I'm gonna just get the corn all over this. I like to use about a cup or a half a cup, depending on how many people are over. Yummy, yummy, sweet goodness. Who doesn't love corn during the summer? Sweet corn, oh my goodness. Organic cherry tomatoes, just kind of all over. Oh, they smell so good. All right. Then I'm going to put the dates. The dates are cut up, but they are a little sticky, so you need to just kind of pull them apart. I will tell you at Bandera's, they do really big chunks of the dates. I'm just reducing the sugar content in this salad by just doing small bits of dates everywhere. The combination of the corn, the tomatoes, the dates, the goat cheese, the avocado, and then I'm adding my pickled red onion. Oh, heavenly. Such a great little summer salad. It's making me hungry. We're gonna do a little bit of the pickled red onion for some color and some delicious little oniony taste. By the way, the pickled red onion, you can find this video on my YouTube channel or my Instagram feed or my website. The pickled red onion is the fastest, easiest thing to make ever, so y'all need to make it. One of the best parts of this is the goat cheese, of course, so I like to just break it up and drop it on there. And if you are vegan, you can find vegan goat cheese, or you can just omit the goat cheese. It is completely delicious without the goat cheese as well. And I hear my doggies in the background. They are wanting to get involved with this. And then the avocado. I've got my big chunks of avocado everywhere. Avocado, super high in fiber. You don't want to skimp on the avocado. You can use whatever salad dressing you like. I have created a cilantro lime vinaigrette that I love on this salad, but you use whatever you want. Okay, here we have it, the cilantro lime vinaigrette. It's going on the Macho salad. Look at that. So awesome. Oh my God. It brings me nothing but pure joy. You have to check this out. I hope you try it. Make sure you save, you share, and you like, and you comment. Subscribe to this channel. I want to meet you. I want to know you. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. We can develop some recipes together. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful and healthy day, and may God bless you.